Hi everyone! In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install an SSL certificate on Cerberus FTP server. To begin, generate a CSR and private key using the SSL Dragon CSR generator tool. Safeguard the private key and share the CSR with SSL Dragon to obtain the CRT. In the common name field, use your domain name or yourdomain.com, and for the email address, input the associated email address, as demonstrated in the video. Next, copy the generated CSR code and private key into .csr and .key files, respectively, and share them with SSL Dragon. SSL Dragon will then issue the CRT accordingly. Click on the three horizontal lines and select the Server Manager menu. Within the Server Manager menu, navigate to Security Settings. Upload the certificate file and private key in their respective tabs, following the instructions shown in the video. Verify the certificate using the Verify TLS button. Successful verification depends on proper certificate upload and correct permissions. Finally, click on Update, and your certificate will be successfully uploaded. Please note that the default location for the certificate must be C Drive Program Data, Cerberus LLC, Cerberus FTP Server, Certificates. If using a different location, ensure correct permissions are set. Otherwise, Cerberus users won't be able to read the certificate and key files. Review the information of the uploaded certificate on the screen, verify it, and close the dialog box. Navigate to Protocols, click on HTTP and HTTPS, and add your domain to the public domain name and client domain allow list. Finally, click on the Update button to apply the changes. Now, open your browser and enter the URL to check the certificate details, as demonstrated in the video. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Save 10% on any SSL certificate order at SSL Dragon by applying the promo code YouTube10 during checkout.